mamaya.
So, hi guys! I'm reacting to my shorts or my old shorts.
Mararanasan niyo ano.
I will change it to old this.
Iba yung ano nag-review
This
sa
is
sa
my Unleash
Nagre-review siya.
marami
Unleash
doon na ano, na hindi naman
videos.
lumabas dun sa exam.
Paper This is my This is my first video guys. Like you like animal. That's my previous video ever. Bro. And I'll just show you everything that I have in this.
Kaya nakaulit ko pwede mag-apply.
This one.
Ako pwede siya mag-exam. Pwede ka mag-exam. 100 na 100 yun.
This is my reel.
Kulang pa sa
You want a gummy bear? Bigger. 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 Want a gummy bear?
I put
Gummy bear.
that.
Do you want
Within siya. Kaya sabi niya,
a gummy bear?
please.
Great.
Oo, yung sa reviewer dun sa ano.
That's my magic. My first magic. But I hate it.
kasi mga fixer na
Sorry, Jai.
marami siya kilala sa
Bye.
yung
I'm doing this as a short.
pumapasok siya kanina.
2 videos,
Kasama siya.
3 videos only.
Fixer din.
I will do part 2 next time.
Tapos meron
Bye!
lang ng pera.